We passed it.
Yeah, let's read it.
We have one.
No. But he choked her.
No.
I think he's in your boat. He's in Jackson's boat. He's in Jackson's boat. Where is he? No.
What do we see?
Where?
There.
I don't see him.
Not here.
No, I don't. There he is.
What? Holy!
Holy smokes, we got him everywhere.
I see it.
Do you see him? Can you get him?
Oh. Slaying. I see it.
You pokey little booger. Get stop it.
But it stays there forever. Got it.
Alright, Jackson boy. Watch this.
What? I want a net. I want one.
Hold on, if I catch one more on it, I'll give you one, okay? What, you think I'm going to catch one?
Yeah.
Maybe.
I hope so.
Hopefully a big one, huh? You might get a fish that's swimming underneath the boat. That's not a bad one. We're getting better. Another bite.
He's kidding me.
I am not kidding you, but they're just little guys, see?
So and I'm not even catching any.
Well, leave it out there, and you will. You just leave it out there and let it drag across the bottom. That's all you do. See? That's all I do. Just cast it out there, let it hit the bottom, let it drag. Then you feel it go tunk, 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 and then you get a fish.
Dun, 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 dun.
Yep, you'll feel it. You gotta get your pull out of the water. It's really tough. You get a bite though. I just told you why.
So don't dunk in the water.
Yep. Oh, see? See mine? Tug, 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 tug. Weak fish. Oh, it feels like a half decent one too, buddy. Oh, it is a half decent one. Look at that.
That just flop up, down.
Are you taking pictures of yours or no?
I just did of the 60, not on the board, just in the air.
What a fight, eh?
I was gonna say, looks like a good one. You still throwing the Ned rig?
Yep.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one, right?
What's that?
Duck, 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 duck.
I think my
Duck,
16
duck,
and a
duck.
half is bigger.
Than this? I don't know.
Can't hold that one, can we? Way too big.
I'm gonna go with no.
How big is he?
17 and a half. Hey, guess what? We should have done the full house tournament.
Is he smallmouth?
Yep.
Smallmouth?
See that?
How big is he? How big is he?
17 and a half inches, buddy. Yeah. Just remember that.
I just seem to catch the largemouths better than I catch the small.
Really, as you're clipping smallmouth all the way across here.
Dad, I think I have one.
Maybe. I think you got something, yep. It's fighting you, whatever it is.
Hope it's not a rod.
Oh, it's not a rock.
Catch one, Bart?
I think
We're gonna
so.
find out here in a second.
I think it's a pike or something. Maybe it's a carp.
Oh, we'll see, won't
Oh
we?
yeah, that's official, right?
What is it?
I don't know, I haven't seen it yet. Keep whining there.
Right.
What's he from?
Oh,
he's
yeah.
got Ned rig.
I got
Tried
one.
him on a Ned rig. Put him up here in this net. Lift. Wind and lift. No, no, wind all the way down. Fast, fast, fast down.
What'd you catch over there?
Oh, then the boat.
Jackson got a smallmouth, Mom.
How do you fish the Ned rig?
You don't. You throw it in.
Don't sit there.
Let it sit there.
Don't bounce it around or nothing.
Drag it a little bit. That's it.
Dad,
No.
look it up for Jackson's feet.
Swallowed. Did he swallow it?
Ned rig on that green line, does it matter?
Yep.
It does matter.
Yeah.
So get it off of there.
Yep.
Why do you even have this stupid line on this pole?
Measure him, Dad, measure him.
You gotta get the hook out of him first. He's got in there good deep.
Measure him.
Okay, we gotta measure him. 11 and a half inches.
Nice one.
Nice, buddy. You gonna hold him?
Yeah.
No? Okay, here we go. We're gonna let him go, alright? You
I
watching?
see him. I see him going away.
There he goes. Alright, let's see this thing.
Dad,
Yeah, buddy.
fix it.
Fix what?
Are you kidding me?
Why are yours always bigger than mine?
Huh. Because I'm a smart cookie.
Lots of little fellas, huh?
tangled.
I can see that. Okay, get it up there.
It's very deep here.
Oh, that's a better one.
Are you kidding me? Really?
Oh, really? That's a good one, buddy.
Why is yours bigger?
Look at the size of that puppy. Oh my goodness.
Oh, is it a carp?
No, it's not a carp.
Bass?
It's a really big bass. Mom, we really should have done that full house challenge. What a tank.
Oh!
Personal best, maybe dash.
Yep,
Yeah.
almost guaranteed.
Measure him. You need to measure him.
I really should have done that full house challenge. Holy shit.
Measure him, Dad. How to measure him?
I don't even know how to pick him up, man. It's huge. Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna measure him. This is the biggest one I've ever caught.
Here, I'll take a picture too. Let me know when you're ready.
He almost tipped our whole boat over.
Hold on, let me get a little.
Hurry up.
Measure him, Dad. You need to measure him. How big is he? How big is he?
21 1/4.
Ooh,
Holy,
big
that
boy.
thing's cute. Can you see how huge he is? See how big he is? I want to see how huge he was.
This little rock bass. You can have him if you want him.
I can have him in my game. Really? That's it. What? Yeah.
Did you get one?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
No way. I don't believe you. Get him in here. Let me see.
What's he fishing with?
Jackson?
Yeah.
Nedrig?
What's that guy? You can't stop.
Oh, nice one. You got a rock bass, Mom.
Rock back.
Take him off. Take off your fish.
I see him.
Oh, I have to take off the fish?
I'll catch them. You take
See how big his eyes are?
Yeah.
You want them or no? Get in there. We're gonna throw him back. Got him?
Trying. Oh, we guess not.